until you meet your fate, and that nigga gonna smack your shit.
No, that's how Florida. You gotta learn how to niggas. You gotta get over.
See that shit? You see the back.
I've been driving since 15.
It don't matter about you.
It does.
Matter about
What's up, shouter? How you doing?
choppy.
Oh yeah, my bad, I forgot.
Damn.
I see that shit.
Damn.
I hope the camera see that shit. You ever heard like twerk when she walk?
That bitch is too freaking.
Come on, nigga, get out the way, bitch.
That shit is ridiculous.
Can I fit through this? Yeah. Gotta speed to that.
Oh my god, we gotta see this shit. That butt. Damn. That motherfucker right there.
Think of the POV of the ass. You gonna hear this engine, bitch.
Go to the left.
Left?
Left.
Nigga, wouldn't that better if I go down here and then go up?
No, you can't go that way. You only can go this way. Ocean Drive. You only can go that way. So
how do I go up?
You go up this way.
Alright.
And then
come down.
When you want to go to the street, like when you want to park, you park, and then it's a little road right here that leads to Ocean Drive. That's where we were.
I'm trying to go down Ocean Drive.
That means go down that way.
And come down this.
And then make a right, and then go down Ocean Drive.
Hop in the booth and go federal.
What?
Last time I came down here, Jesse, I stayed in this hotel right here.
Where?
Right here.
How much was it a night?
It wasn't bad at all. That shit was like $140 a night, $160 a night. We stayed for like 5-6 days. We stayed right in here. And then literally we came out of our hotel, made a right, and we were on Ocean Drive, literally. Right here, Ocean Drive.
What's up, Cobra? When you trying to race?
Like, you trying to go to gym?
You want life?
Yo, she's sexy, bro.
She can arrest me. She can arrest me.
Like God.
Like get that black guy license plate.
Right,
Alright, I'm pulling the bitch
I think this is the last. 10th Street is the last street of this shit. This is all for God. So much ass out here today. Indeed. Oh yeah, this is what I'm looking at. This is all for
Oh shit.
She said, "Baby, what you up?" She said, "911." Emergency at home.
Great view, man. What happened? That is a great view.
Niggas wearing an LA hat in Miami.
You rapping for real?
Damn. So much.
That guy's definitely paying.
It's car time.
what's up? What's up?
No, Jesse is crazy.
He dropped the window down?
Bro, rolling down
He
the
rolled
window
it.
like that.
He rolled it.
Why? Did it scare you?
Bro, no, niggas, them niggas will Swiss cheese this
Lock
shit,
this
bro.
shit.
Niggas will shoot this
Nigga
shit
dropped the
fuck
window
out, bro.
down on them niggas.
Bro,
Why will they shoot it up?
Nigga, we in a car with tinted fucking windows. We're stopped and there's no cars in front of us, right? There's nobody in front of us, gang. There's nobody in front of us, literally. We stopped and you roll on a window slow as fuck like that?
Is that bad?
Bro, yes, bro. Nigga will flock this shit up, nigga.
Hey, yo, cuz, what you wearing?
Now I need to find parking now.
What you looking
Is he recording my car?
Knox.
Is he recording my car? Yes, he is.
What you call it? Slide back there?
for? Huh?
Did it slide back there?
What happened?
Yeah, it was under the seat.
Huh?
It was under the seat.
What now?
Huh?
What now?
I love how this shit sound. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
I said the gun.
Damn, I need to make it right,
Oh,
don't
the
I?
gun?
Well, I gotta find
Yeah.
parking. I gotta make it right, don't I? You hear me?
You said what?
I gotta make it right to find parking.
I don't know where the. I can't. I don't.
I said, did it slide under the seat?
It probably did.
It was under the seat, bro.
Ooh, look at that car.
Let me see. I can't.
Where can we find parking at? I think it's parking right here on the right. Yo, is it still recording?
Yeah.
And there should be a tunnel. There should be a tunnel right here too. I'm about to get loud in there.
Find a gun for this thing.
It was under my seat, bro.
Damn, I'm burning gas like a motherfucker.
Found it.
Should be a tunnel right over here, I think.
He said, rev it.
He's old ass. Come on, Poppy, rev it, Poppy. No Spanish ass.
Nigga said,
Show the parking. Where the fuck? Oh, right here.
Do they have free parking over here?
hell no.
Hell no.
Hell no. Are we on the right spot, though? Because you know Ocean Drive is all the way over there, and we might be in the middle, but we'll
It's
see.
not far a walk though. 30. It's not that much expensive. How do I? Oh. You got me, Quaddy?
$0, bro.
I got $0 too. Where am I?
That's why, man, nigga, I'm chilling, bro. But that's good for me, though. 'Cause
Alright,
I'm
let me
faster.
hook me up.
What is it?
Yeah. Bro, my fucking leg hurts, bro.
Turn my shit on.
What you mean?
I need to quick turn on the.
You don't got to pay now, do you?
I don't know.
I
It's,
don't think
You just got to press fatigue. Press fatigue.
oh fuck. Short arm, bitch. What the fuck? Tweaking.
Welcome. Please take your ticket.
Where's it at?
Welcome. Please take your ticket.
Man, if I was 6 foot.
Welcome. Please proceed into the lot.
Alright,
park here. Never supposed to park next to these.
What?
Never supposed to park next to these fools. Hold on a second.
Here, I'm gonna join the call right back. 1 second. I'm sure now. 1 second. All right.
What
Fix your
happened?
parking.
What happened?
Fix your parking.
Oh, I fucked up.
For this Louis bag.
Oh, sorry.
What happened?
The whole backside is hanging into this one.
I really should just go on this one right here.
No, go in there. You mostly in it. Just go in like that and then straight up.
Left or right?
Go left. Straight up. Keep going left. Keep going left. Keep going left. Out straight. Now you gotta back out straight. Come out this way. Turn the wheel that way. Spin it. Spin it now. You gotta spin it this way. Yes. Keep going. Keep spinning it that way. Just keep spinning.
I'm trying to figure out what am I doing wrong because I can barely
You gotta
see.
get over there.
I'm a frontwards parker. I'm a backwards parker. I'm on to see right now. I gotta get more on the left, right?
Yeah, so
all right, let me
come
see.
out like this. No, the other way, yeah. The other way, yeah. Come on. And then spin it this way. There you go. Keep spinning it. Keep going. You got space. You got a little way more than enough space. Now, all you do is take it straight in. Straight up. To the right.
That's what I'm thinking. Now I know I fucked up.
Overthinking it. Just go right.
I hate parking frontwards.
Right.
Cause I can't see what the fuck I'm parking.
You gotta go off the hood of the car, not where you park it. The hood of the car tells you.
Yeah, I see that.